Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, what's up? My name is Sabena. You're welcome. Today I'm going to take you guys out with me. I have a couple of things to do. I'm going to Jennifer's studio. You guys know Jennifer by now. She has been on my channel like 3-4 times. You guys have seen her. She does microblading for brows, so I'm taking my friend to her studio to get her microblading done for free. Yes, you heard that right, for free. But I think it's just today. It's what she does, like part of her business, but today she's doing it for free for my friend. So I'm just going to take you guys along with me so you guys can see how microblading is done if you haven't like seen it before. I'm just going to show you like bits and bits of the process, and then I have other things to do today. I'm just going to take you guys along today. So I'm scared to go out, like legit scared, for two things. One, there's traffic out there. Two, the sun is not the sun is angry. Let's just put it that way. The sun today is angry, but we move still. Good afternoon. We're here to see Jennifer. Hi.
Straight down.
Yes. Thank you. Long time.
Wow.
No see. No time. So this process now, we're just drawing her desired shape, right?
Yeah. Mapping, so it's easier.
So what's this process now?
So this is mapping basically. Mapping. The brows.
By ruler.
Yeah.
Where's this one? Still part of the mapping?
Yeah. Do you want it to get to this part or that length is okay?
This length is okay.
Do you want it to be higher?
Hey, do you like it?
No, it's fine. It's okay.
So this is, what do you call it again?
Numbing cream.
Numbing cream. So that it won't pain her, right?
To numb the area so she doesn't feel it.
Okay. But why don't you just use numbing injection?
I don't know why they don't use that too. It's one of those thoughts.
This is brighter. Yeah, tell us how you feel.
Pretty.
What about the pain?
On a scale of 1 to 10, 5.
Okay. Looks so nice. Your face has changed. And this is our, what they call you people? Eyebrow microblading what expert. So
it's still under makeup, sure.
Yeah, it's on the makeup. So if you want to do your microblading session, you can come to Rise and Glam. Let them see you. Elshay.
Borders.
Border. Did you say borders?
Borders.
Hey guys, so I was editing this video and I realized that I did not end it well, like I didn't end it properly. So this is me just ending this vlog because it must go up today. I wanted to go up today, Thursday. I literally just woke up. My face is swollen, please excuse that. Yes, so if you're one of those people that you don't really have brows and you're not up for always using eye pencil whenever you're going out or maybe to work, you can just try out this microblading session. You saw how her brows were when she started and when she was done. You saw the difference. Like, it made her face fine. Like, your face will literally just pop. It's like magic. Yeah, but the whole process is what you have to go through. It's a little bit painful, but you know, when she started using the numbing cream and all that, the pain would lessen. And I also think it depends on your skin type, and yeah, it depends on your skin type. If your skin is very soft, I don't know, you might feel a little bit of pain. I don't know, I'm doing this. Anyway, if you like this, the video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Is microblading something you like to do? Do you fancy it? If you don't have full brows like me, is it something you want to do? I think you should actually give it a try. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.